Hello students, we are discussing HCF and LCM and we are on type 4 and 5. Let us start solving the question based on this. The first question is find the HCF of this. So HCF of this means what is highest common factor among these three. There is nothing common. 2 is not common, 3 is not common, 4 is not common. What is common? Only 1. This is it. So like this, you can solve it orally, but you know nothing is common here, the only common is 1. So now we go to the next question. We are discussing question number 2, and the topic is HCF and LCM. Now we need to find HCF of these two ways. So first of all, first see the last two digits. Easier way. This is multiple of 4. This is multiple of 4. Check the answer which is multiple of 4. Only 1. So you can save time. But if there are two answers are multiple of 4, then you have to see it goes by 4. But this answer, let us suppose, also goes by 4. Then we have to see whether these two are divisible by 7 also. Only then the answer is this. Check this. 35, 7, yes. 56, yes. This is divisible by 7, yes. So answer remains. This is a one way. First easier way, I've told you, the first easier way was just look at the last two digits. Both are divisible by 4. This is not by 4. This is not by 4. This is by 4. This is all. Second way, I've told you to make factors of this. 7 and 4, check it. If more answers are divisible by 4, then you can check 7 also, and so on. One more method is there, that is this method. Subtract two values out of this, get here 2, 1, 1, go by 56, 56, go by 28, till you get the answer. The answer is 28. So like this, you will be able to solve in a short way. But the easier way is that both are divisible by 4. Answer is only 1. That will save you time and build up the confidence. So in the exam, the time is the main important thing. This may not be the question in the exam, but it can be the part of a bigger question. Now we are moving further. Now we have question number 3, where he says HCF of this, this and this. Now you find out. This is divisible by 7. 7. 7. Also 0, 5, 5. That means 5. So that means these are divisible by 5 as well as 7. This is the answer. So like this you can solve, or you can solve with the proper method. That takes time. If we see that it is divisible by 5, yes, it is 5, but it has 3. It is not divisible by 3. Something is not divisible by, this is not divisible by 3. So this is the answer. So like this you can solve it only in a fraction of seconds. I think you are enjoying this. Now we move further. Here he says LCM of 5, 10 and 15. The largest value is 15. I will write here because I am finding LCM. Second largest is 10. 10 can be like this, 2 factors. 5 is already here, but 2 is not here. And then 5 is part of this. Answer is 30. Where is 30? This is 30. So like this you can solve. I am repeating it again. Write the largest value 15. Then check the second value. 5 is part of 15, but 2 is not part of. We need to multiply by 2. 5 is part of 15. Answer is 30. So this is the answer. This is the. Now we are moving to the next. Now here we need to find LCM of this, this and this. You check. This is multiple of 13. 13. 13. Check which is answer by 13. This is the answer. But if you have none also, you can check whether this 390 is divisible by 26. Yes. This is divisible by 39. Yes. This is divisible by 65. Yes. And this is the answer. So like this you can save time. Now we are moving to the next. Here we get the decimals. So he says LCM. Let us write LCM of 0.5 and 0.1. First thing is remove this decimal. We have got 5 by 10. This is a normal fraction. We have got 5 by 10, 1 by 10. LCM means you need to find LCM of numerator and HCF of denominator. What is the LCM of 5 and 1? 5. What is the highest common here? 10. That means answer is 0.5. So this is the LCM we are able to find. Answer is LCM is 0.5. Now let us suppose we need to find HCF. Fraction is this 5 by 10. Now we are not finding LCM, we are finding HCF. 5 by 10 and 1. That means HCF of numerator and LCM of denominator. Because these are the fractions. HCF of 5 and 1 is how much? Highest common is what? 5 and 1. 1. And LCM is 10. So that means answer is 0.1. So this is the LCM and this is the HCF. So like this you can find out decimal. The first step is remove the decimal. Remove the decimal. Now I think you've understood. Now we are moving next. Here we have 3 values. First is this. So let us remove the decimal. It will become 10. Move the decimal, 10. Move the decimal. These are the 3 values we have. And now we are finding HCF and LCM. So we have a fraction. When we find the fractions HCF, HCF upon LCM, and here we have LCM upon HCF. Now find the HCF. This. What is the highest common in these 3? Only 5. And what's the LCM of this? 100. So that means answer is HCF of this fraction is 0.05. Now we are finding LCM. LCM of this and this and this is how much? 15 is the LCM. Because 15 is a part of this also, and 5 is part of this also, 5 is part of this also, and this. And HCF, highest common here is what? Highest common is 10. 10. We are finding HCF of 10, 10, 100. It is 10. So even to find this is the LCM. So keep in mind here, try to understand this. Here there is an interesting thing is coming up, that HCF is part of F. And HCF is less in terms of value than F. So like this, you need to understand the concept, and this is fairly important question for your exam. Now we are moving further. Here again 3 values. First we need to remove the decimals. Become 2 by 10, this will become 4 by 10, and this will become 8 by 10. And now we need to find, let us suppose, HCF. Let us suppose find LCM first, because he is asking for LCM. Let us solve LCM first. What is the LCM? LCM of this is LCM of this. What is LCM of 8? The highest common is 8. 4 is part of this, 2 is part of this. And HCF of this, HCF means 10. So that means answer is, this is the answer of LCM. This is, what is LCM in fact? LCM is, LCM of a fraction is LCM upon HCF. When we finding HCF, what is highest common here? 8. And HCF of 10, 10, 10 is 10. Answer is 0.8. Now we are finding HCF. HCF of this means HCF of numerator and LCM of denominator. HCF means 248. What is the highest common here? 248. Highest common is 2. Highest common of it is 2. And LCM is 10. So that means answer is 0.2. Here the answer is 0.8. So which is larger? 0.8 is more than this. I told you LCM will always more than this, and HCF has to be part of it. So like this you will understand the question and enjoy the concept. Now we are going to give you the practice questions so that you can master this type.